Assalamu alaikum class 3. I am your math teacher. Today we are going to revise unit 1. For this purpose you have to open your book at page 7. Here the question is write the time below each clock. हर clock में each time लिखना है. Take the first clock. In this clock there are two hands. The smaller hand is for hours and the bigger hand is for minutes. The smaller hand is between 1 and 2 and the R hand has crossed 1. It means the R is 1 and the bigger hand that is for minutes that is on 6. And remember that in the clock from one number to another number there are 5 minutes. And for calculating the minutes you have to say the table of 5. When the minute hand is on 6, you have to say the table of 5. 6 5s are 30. It means minutes are 30 and R is 1. Or you can say that time is 1:30, or you can say that 30 minutes past 1, or you can say that half past 1. Now come to the next page. Here you have to draw the clocks to show the time. Take the first clock. Take this clock. Here the time is written below this clock. The time is 10:45. You have to show this time on the clock. For this purpose you have to draw hands. First take the R. R is 10. It means the R hand should cross 10 and it is near 11. Not at 11 but near to 11. And the minutes are 45. For the 45 minutes you have to draw the minute hand that should touch 9. The minute hand should be at 9. 9 5s are 45. Now the required time is 10:45. Now come to the next page. The next page is about fractions. A fraction tells how many equal parts are there in a whole object. फ्रैक्शन आपको बताता है कि होल ऑब्जेक्ट में कितने पार्ट्स हैं. Take the first figure, that is circle. In this figure there are total 2 parts and the one part is colored. One part that is colored, that is written above the line 1 over the small line is drawn. One part that is colored, that is written above the line, and the total parts, there are total parts are 2. The total parts are written below the line 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2. This is the fraction. This is called fraction. 1 over 2. It means out of 2 parts, one part is colored. Now come to the question. Question is count the parts and fill in the box. Parts को count करें और box को fill करना है आपने. Look at the first picture. Here in this picture there are 2 parts and one part is colored. 1 over 1 is already written over 2. It means the number below the line that is missing. You have to write down here the total parts. How many total parts are there? There are 2 parts. You have to write 2 in the box. And now girls, boys, come at the last picture. Here in this last picture there are 4 parts. You have to draw the line. Likewise it becomes 4 parts. The picture has 4 parts, right? One part is colored, that is written, and the total parts which you have to write in the box, that is missing. How many total parts are there in this picture there are 4 total parts. It means you have to write here 4 in the box. Now come to the next page. Here in this page, look here, 2/3. This is the fraction 2/3. In the fraction 2/3, the number which is written above the line, that is called numerator, and the number which is written below the line, that is called denominator. Come to the question, write a fraction for the colored area. Colored area के लिए आपने fraction लिखनी है. Take the first picture. Here in this picture, how many parts are colored? 3 parts are colored. The colored parts should be above the line. 3, I have written 3 over. That is over. A small line is drawn, and then 3 over. Below the line you have to write the total parts. How many total parts are there? There are 4 parts. 3/4. It means its fraction is 3/4. 3/4 for colored area. Now come to the next question, this one. What part of each set is colored? It means you have to write also here the fraction for the colored area. Now count the colored boxes. There are 3 parts, 3 boxes, 3 over, and how many total parts are there? How many total boxes are there? 5. 3/5. The fraction for colored area is 3/5. Now come to the next page, page 11. The question is on the page 11. The question is tick the objects that equals each fraction. आपने ऑब्जेक्ट्स को जो टिक करना है, जो कि जिनके इक्वल फ्रैक्शन जो लिखी हुई हैं उसको उसके मुताबिक उनको टिक करना है. द फ्रैक्शन इज़ गिवन एंड द सेट्स आर गिवन एंड यू हैव टू टिक द सेट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द फ्रैक्शन. In the first question, 3/4 fraction is given and there are 4 sets are given. 4 sets of stars are given. 3/4 means out of 4 sets you have to tick 3 sets. You can tick any 3 sets. I am ticking these 3 sets. Right. Now come to the next question, 1/2. Here the fraction is 1/2 and there are 2 sets of head. Total sets are 2 and 1/2 means 1. You have to take 1 out of 2. I have ticked this one. Right. I hope you have understood all these sums. Now you have to do the practice at your home. Thank you.